the Pacific Ocean lies a small group of islands with spectacular coral reefs. The archipelago has a large mountainous limestone island with steep cliffs. Nearby, to the northwest, lies an uninhabited atoll with a small cay, while to the south is another group of densely vegetated volcanic islands surrounded by a barrier reef. Managers in the region created an MPA at the southern tip of the Big Island that included the outer barrier reef drop-offs and patch reefs near the village and resort. A second MPA was established to protect the endemic flora, the birds and turtle nesting beaches amongst the volcanic islands to the south. The sheltered lagoon waters enclosed by these islands were included incidentally and by convenience rather than by design. When hot waters swept through the islands in 1998, many reefs bleached and died. Others survived, and some did not bleach at all. The most heavily bleached reefs tended to be those on the outer barrier, as well as many patch reefs in the lagoons surrounding the Big Island. However, fringing reefs in the shadow of the Big Island and reefs between the volcanic islands experienced very little coral mortality. Also, many corals of the outer barrier reefs in the north bleached, but then recovered, particularly between the atoll and the Big Island. 5 years later, the distribution of live coral in the archipelago might at first appear surprising, with some areas luxuriant and others, like one of the original MPA sites, still poorly colonized. Why? To find out what happened, click for the link to the hypothetical GIS scenario.